Hey guys, it's me. I'm back. And I got a lot going on. Anyway, this is a 6x12. I went ahead and did my journaling on my little typewriter over here. And I did a little bit of stamping just to help this go a little quicker. And nonetheless, this is me using up my scraps as much as possible. And this is just one day during summertime. We had went to Splash in the Burrow is what it's called. Splash in the Burrow. And this was before the whole smartphone thing was an evolution, if that's the right word. And so I don't have very many pictures of this day, but for some reason I do have this one of my husband and my two. That's my oldest, that's my youngest. At the time, they were really tiny. They're not so tiny anymore. For some reason, kids grow up, but nonetheless, I digress. And using up, I have no idea what Gabriel's doing there, but he's a crazy kid, so we just let him do what he wants to do. No, not all the time. So yeah, we went to, okay, so Splash in the Burrow is a splash, like, pool park. I think they had something like, now I live in a really small town, okay, so first off, don't make fun of me, please. But this wasn't even in our town. This was about an hour-ish drive away from us. And I want to say they had 3 slides, a lazy river, if you can call it a river, and a really small, like, kids park to play in. And that's in my journaling. That's something I write about, because if you guys watched my vacation album, you will know that Gabriel has come to not like the water. So, in the journaling, I basically say this is so long ago that Gabriel actually got in the water and enjoyed himself. And my mother went, and we just all had a good time that day. Well, dadgummit. Anywho, if you watched my video from last Saturday, you will know I'm just winging it with my videos right now. Just kind of trying to get back to where I enjoy I don't know, paper crafting. It's not that I don't enjoy it, it's just, I guess it started feeling like a job, which I know is what most people are on YouTube for, is to, you know, have an income. I don't foresee that ever happening for me, so you know, I try to keep it as fun as I can, because I don't want to not want to do it, if that makes sense. Good gracious, I'm so sorry for all my hair. Probably should go get it cut soon, but it's Christmas time. Can't worry about cutting hair. Sorry, Jojo. Okay. Not too bad. Jeez, get out of here. That's not too bad there, huh? I hope. What's on the other side of this? Nothing. Okay. Oh, that's right. The next 2 pages are going to be kind of a combined video. This, tell me this is not just the absolute cutest picture ever. This is my son, chilling. Okay? That is the epitome of what chilling is right there, okay? So yeah. If you've never been to my channel before, we are a pretty laid-back type of family. Or we try to be for the most part. Our kids like to give us a run for our money some days. With just being crazy. No, wait, I'm not ready. Sorry. Hope I haven't been out of frame this whole time. I keep meaning to put like little markers down for myself so I know, you know, don't go out of this area, but as you can see, that's not happened. So I did stamp this best. Oh, I also stamped this this one right here, the love in the, I think, I don't remember which one that was from, but that is Citrus Twist stamps. So okay, I need to trim this down. It's just a smidge too long. No worries. And I wanted to use up this word happy. Come on. There we go. And then, you know what I think I've determined is I'm gonna, because I don't really need that precision chip on my art glitter glue. I think I'm gonna just take it off. That way I don't have that yicky brown stuff, because I still have yet to go on to Made and order one. Because I can't find the stainless steel tips anywhere in Hinesville. Do I want that there? Yeah, I like it there actually. Okay. Oh, hold on. I forgot to put some of these on the other one too. These are actually Hobby Lobby, I believe. Oh, no, I got these off of Wish.com, actually. So they're probably from China somewhere. Oh, come back here. Okay, now I'm going to bring this one back. Back here. Okay, I'll leave that there because they already have all these hearts over here. So, alright, see what you guys think. These 6x12s like go by so fast. It's pretty cool. I like them because they give me a little crafty time, but not to where I'm completely out of the loop in my household. So, alright, I hope you guys have a great rest of your Saturday, and, you know what I think. Don't forget to get your crafty time in. See you later. Bye.